Right, so next we're going to take a look at the barbecue plate. So having a look, seems to be just like I don't know, like a cottony material, no ripstop. The stitching is a little bit to be desired. Sorry about the hands. I've been working all day and then getting into this. So yeah, according to the box, it is 61 centimeters. I'm going to say that's from the tip of the top here, the opening to the bottom. 4.5 centimeters, which will be the depth, and then 45 centimeters, which I'm going to say is across, so from side to side. Alright, so opening it up, comes out of the pouch with the plastic still attached. So you can definitely tell that I have not already opened this, otherwise the plastic would have been thrown away. So we're going to open it up. I also forgot to mention the gross weight in the packaging says it's about 6.1 kilos with the net weight being 5.3. I'm going to be saying that that's probably most likely around about the 6 kilo mark for the whole thing. I don't see there being, almost a kilogram of cardboard, considering how heavy the cardboard is. So, coming out of this, you've got your hot plate side and your mesh. Yeah, it doesn't really, if you're looking at this, if you're looking on this side, sorry, it seems like it's a lot higher up on the bracing. Then you come down to here, it's a little bit lower. So you can see the difference. So it does drop down into the center. Now I can understand that, considering that there's no hole in the center of the hot plate itself. You would want some way for the fat to drip off of whatever you're cooking. I get that. One would think that this side itself would do that, whereas that seems to be completely flat on three sides. That seems to me like it was a manufacturing error. It's the same on this side too. The hinge here for the legs seems to be a lot lower on this side. So it may be the fact that these runs on this that go this direction may be the reason as to why it seems like it's a lot higher at this point on the sides compared to the end. But yeah, overall, for the price that we paid for it, and that included the clear top bag, was this much. So yeah, again, in line with the budget. Will be definitely a lot better than how we have been doing it previously. Normally just a fire on the ground, open fire, taking some coals out, cooking that way. Or propping up rocks around three sides to cook on the fry pan. So yeah, that's that one. Next one I'm going to go through the next video. Make it the next video, it's getting a bit long as it is. So we'll go shower awning, next video. I'm not going to go through an install, just going to go through features as well as a couple other items that should arrive by then. Right, thanks. Stay tuned for more videos. Give us a like, it's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us amazingly. Hit that like, subscribe, comment. What other barbecue hot plate can you find roughly around about the same price range that is as good, if not better, as this product? Thanks.